In front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate keypad sounds. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration. Scroll down, and here you will notice haptics and tones. Just click on it, and you've got the iPad tones right here. So currently it is active. Let me just unmute the device, and you can hear it while entering the number. So it's active. To mute it, you need to turn the switcher off, and now it will be muted. And this is it. This is how you can manage keypad sounds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.